Maniche on the beach, shebang. All of my ops say that.
Hi besties, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. I'm also doing fine. Guess what? I'm using my DJI and I'm filming my first video on the DJI. I'm so excited, you guys, but all I need now are mini tripods to hold the camera. We have a mosque. It is there. The mosque is there. That one. Here, where my finger is. This one. We are going for a weekend getaway with my boss and the kid at the beach, as you are going to see. No, do like this. No,
It's face tracking you. Now move it. See? See?
Yes.
I'm not moving my hand.
ولك عند المكة بالمكة ريحتها. Okay. What I put?
What
I put?
You do like this.
Okay, I get it.
Your head.
حطيت هذا دخل.
Go.
I get it, bro. I get it.
Ahmad, you see?
I want to do يا أخي. This
You
moving
see?
the camera.
Yeah. You to move around.
Okay, wait.
عندها.
Okay, I want to do.
ها.
Just to zoom in.
يا أخي
شو تبين ما بي.
Today I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to be cooking lunch for my family and I'm going to take you along, you guys. I hope you are going to enjoy this video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Carol, a Ugandan working and living in UAE. So please don't forget to subscribe, like this video and turn on the post notification. You'll be notified when I upload a new video. So let's go. I have my rice already soaked. It's here. I have my tomatoes. This is garlic and ginger. I have my onions. I'm going to fry these ones. I'm going to use these ones for chicken. And I have coriander here. This is plain yogurt. And then we have chicken here. And we have Irish potatoes.
Girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. And shawty, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love like the Spanish. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share of the fire.
Maniche on the beach, shebang. All of my ops say that. Why do they gas me up? Where does it go? My head. How much I got? A lot. Don't leave again. I won't. Thinking and trying me do like Bryson. Pussy ass nigga and don't. Can I forgive? I can't. What do I need?
So you guys, I just wanted to let you know or to tell you this. I'm filming my experience here in the UAE because these are memories that I will look at one day and be like, and yeah. I thank God that they are all good memories. I'm not saying that my journey is smooth. No, it's not smooth. There are sometimes when I wake up and I feel like I want to pack my bags and leave. But because I have people around, like positive people around me, that's why I don't do that. And I thank God for that. I don't take that for granted. So this is going to be like, these are going to be good memories that I will even show my kids that this is how I lived.
You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon.
I just got back from outside. I was cooking and my boss, okay, let me tell you what really happened. So person who cooks lost her father and she traveled to go for the burial. So today my boss told me to take the kids to the football and I come back. So I should not stay there with them. I should take them there and then I come back. Then later her daughter is going to go there and pick them up. I started cooking. I was doing a cooking vlog, as you have seen these clips from the start. As I was cooking, the rice was ready, but the chicken wasn't ready. I left the chicken on fire. In the middle of cooking, my boss told me that her daughter just called her that at work they have refused her to go and pick her brothers. She told me that I should go and pick them up. I told my boss that I was still in the middle of cooking. She said, I tell one of my co-workers, because we are 4, so one is not around, now we are 3. I told one of my co-workers to see the chicken. I told her, don't do anything, don't add water, don't do anything. I just put little fire, so keep watching that. Like when the water goes down, you close the fire and you wait for me. So she was like, okay. I even asked her that, have you understood? She was like, okay, because she's from Ethiopia and she's not good at English. So she was like, okay. So I went to pick up the kids. I left here 12:45 and I came back around 2 o'clock. That's when I came back. When I reached here, you guys, I got a shock of my life. Do you know the chicken is like porridge? It's because I have already served because people wanted to eat. This is how my chicken, guys, looks like. I feel bad. The reason why I feel bad is because I took my time. I was cooking everything very well and my chicken was still okay. The Irish potatoes that I put inside the chicken, it is like also porridge. Like everything is so annoying. My vlog is dead. I don't know what to do. That's why I'm doing this, guys, to explain to you, because you will not see the outcome of what I was cooking. So that is what happened, you guys, in case you are still waiting for the outcome of the food that I was cooking. But everything turned out because I left, you guys, but if I stayed, everything was going to be okay. I'm not going to end this vlog here. Let me continue vlogging and I give you like a full vlog, because I cannot let my cooking video just go like that. My boss gave me his kandunas because he's going to donate them. So I'm just going to fold them and prepare them for him to take them outside.
Two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22. Two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. 22 going on 23. You look pretty when you're fucking with me. For me to see, I'ma show you what it means to be loved. You're 22. Two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, babe.
Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the post notification. You will be notified when I upload a new video. And please comment down below in the comment section and tell me in the video which one was your favorite part. Bye.